have Ford, AMD, also Intel working on this benchmarking platform with us. So before I get into the details,
and they were not people about related into ROS. They were roboticists, they were product managers, and they were very worried about that. Then ROS 1 is completely hackable, just logging into the Wi-Fi and that's it.
From the robot, the state in terms of battery and location, and also sends requests to the robot. It says, move to this location.
How you can experiment with them. And then finally, like any other feature, you can go through the gazebo or the SJ format source code and try to go through the code.
As everything that we talked about earlier in terms of processing with CPU, GPU, camera and all, but more importantly now, we have...
So with that, I wanted to build a message on something that I alluded to briefly yesterday.
all of your companies have your own unique approaches to integrating, your semiconductor solutions for robotics. So if you could just go about how do you, what does that process look like? If each of you could walk through that, and then we'll build on.
AI gives access to students and people to build on projects that say all of us started building on in 2016-17 with.
How can we teach ROS in 7 days? Just do that. Okay, it's not possible to teach 7 days. Even the mentorship program lasts for 2 months, and still we have to break it down little by little. We cannot cover each and everything.